It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So we are using Claude Desktop, which is a LLM, local language model, and using AI, we are going to solve this lab. I'm using Burp Suite, and I'm in this challenge, which is blind OS command injection with output redirection, and we need to actually solve it using AI. So I have this URL, and you can see that we need to do the blind operating system command injection, and I already intercepted the request. We have the request under our HTTP history as well as under target. We can see it's added to the scope. So now we are also using the MCP server, which is actually connected. It's like a USB-C type that connects a large language model like Claude Desktop or ChatGPT with any tool actually. So we are using Burp Suite and it is now connected. As you can see, this is the configuration part. And now I'm going to open Claude Desktop and tell that solve this CTF lab challenge and see like what is going to do, and hopefully it is going to solve it to us. So now it is trying to fetch requests, and it's saying that solve this. Actually you can now is sending the request. I will allow it, actually allow once, and again I'm going to allow this, which is the MCP actually in Burp. Allow this and go back to Cloud, and it is actually doing its thing. And again it wants to send this request, which is the post request, as you can see, and I'm going to allow once, allow, and it is going to again do some calculation. The AI is actually helping us in solving this challenge. As you can see, allow once, again allow, and going back. So it is again sending some requests, HTTP requests, as you can see. Again it is trying to send this one, allow. So you need to verify. I'm doing it quickly, and you need to verify, and then you want to allow, you can allow, otherwise you don't allow. And now it is going to send another request. I will allow once, allow again. So it is checking from all the HTTP history that whether it is able to solve the lab automatically or not. So it is telling that perfect the command injection worked, and I can see the output whoami command. So it is able to run the whoami command and able to see that it's Peter W. So let's see. So yeah, so it is able to solve the challenge, as you can see. So this is a craft this and asking me to send it. So craft this injection. Okay, as you can see, if I go to the lab and it says that congratulations, you solved the lab. So it was able to solve the lab. The AI Cloud Desktop was able to solve the challenge, as you can see, and confirming the injection successfully retrieved the username Peter VHSA. So I hope the video was interesting. If you want to see how AI is helping us to solve bug bounty hunting as well as solve capture the flags challenges like this, you can subscribe to our channel and expect more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Oh, before we end this video, let's see the report. So when I have given this prompt, solve this CTF challenge. So let's review. Started with, I'll help you solve this web security web challenge. Let me first fetch the page to see what we are working with. Claude Desktop is actually fetching this, and I allowed. So I will also walk you through. This is the MCP server already set, as you can see. So this is the MCP server. I have done the required configuration in Claude Desktop. So now Burp Suite is connected to Claude Desktop, and in Claude Desktop, if you go to our this area actually, and the file settings, if you go to settings and go to developer. So you can see I have already enabled the Burp Suite extension, which is this one. So Git tray is also there. I have disabled it, and Git tray is for reverse engineering, right? So we are actually using this MCP server, which is mcpproxy.all.jar, and this is already configured. So now that is why the Claude is able to read everything from Burp Suite, and you can see this is what it was done quickly. And coming back to our CTF challenge, it automatically requested, I allowed, as you saw earlier in this video, right? So sending some HTTP request and feedback submit, it checked all that, and then it was able to fetch some cross-site request forgery token, CSRF token. Let me try to command inject again. I will try to inject into the email field, redirect the output, who am I to, and then great, it was able to say 200 requests. So the response from the server was 200 with empty JSON. So now it tried with this who am I. You can say perfect. The command injection worked. I can see the output of the who am I command. Peter VHSASO. So this is the confirmation, and we're able to solve the lab, right? So it says again, this confirms that the email field in the feedback form is vulnerable to OS command injection. So here actually there is a submit feedback form, right? So we already solved the lab, but I will just walk you through. So in the submit feedback form, it actually, I mean, Burp Suite automatically did that for us. Burp Suite not did, but actually Claude, the AI did it for us automatically via Burp Suite using the MCP model context protocol. Now you can see I can redirect command output to files var images directory. I can access these files via image file is equal to endpoint. So the lab has been successfully solved. I demonstrated blind SQL injection with output redirect, identify the vulnerable parameter. Also, Claude Desktop actually via Burp Suite using the MCP server was able to craft this injection payload, which is test@example.com, UMI var and this. And you can see it used a double pipe operator to ensure the command executes regardless of the email validation, and it redirects the output and retrieve the output using this command. And you can see to read the redirected command output, and it confirms that the retrieved username is Peter VHSASO. So this is a classical example of blind OS command injection where you can't see the command output directly. So that is what actually it is. So I hope it is very interesting. And if you know you are doing bug bounty hunting, obviously manual bug bounty hunting will be there. If you have the knowledge, you know where to look for. But using AI, we can actually solve CTF challenge as well. And Claude Desktop needs subscription, but you can connect it using local LLMs like Olama or LM Studio. So you can expect more videos from us Security Academy. So subscribe to the channel and like if you like the video, and let me know your comments also. Thanks for watching.